So you need to make money fast. For some backstory, my name is Fred, and I went from having only $400 in the bank to making thousands of dollars a day in profit with my business. So feel free to ignore my advice if you want to stay broke. I'm gonna tell you exactly what I would do, step by step, if I lost everything and needed to make money as quickly as possible. The first thing you need to do, if you need money quickly, is to sell the old stuff you haven't used in a while. Most people are sitting on thousands of dollars right now, and they don't even realize it. I'm serious. Look around your room right now. Look at all the crap you own. When's the last time you actually used that stuff? You know exactly what I'm talking about. That gaming console collecting dust. Those clothes hanging in your closet with the tag still on them. That bike in your garage you rode twice 3 years ago. All of that is money, and you're just letting it sit there doing nothing for you. 80% of the time, you only use 20% of your stuff. Think about that. You literally ignore 80% of everything you own. Now, that's not me making stuff up, it's just facts, look it up. So why are you just keeping all that stuff when you could turn it into cash right now? Go through your closet, find every piece of clothing you haven't worn in the last 6 months. Get on Vinted, get on Depop, get on Facebook Marketplace and sell it. Each item might only get you 20 or 30 or 50 bucks, but when you sell 20 to 50 items, that's real money in your pocket, and now you can do stuff with that. And it's not just clothes. What about your old electronics? Sell them. The old phone you upgraded from, someone wants it. That tablet you replaced, it's money. That gaming console you don't play anymore, it's cash. The furniture you don't use, more money again. Stop letting all this stuff just depreciate in value while you're sitting there broke. Go room by room through your house like you're on a mission, because you kind of are. Your mission here is to liquidate everything you don't actually need or use. This isn't your grandma's attic. You don't need to hold on to everything for sentimental value. You need money, so get it where you can. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now, a lot of people are gonna hate me for saying this because they'd rather fill out BS online surveys, but if you need to make money ASAP and you don't have a job, you need to get a job. Period. I know that's not what you want to hear. I know you want me to tell you about some secret way to make $10,000 from your bedroom without doing any work. Well, that, my friend, does not exist. And especially if you're young, if you're still living with your parents, if you don't have bills to pay right now, you are in the best position possible to stack cash and you're wasting it. Go work at McDonald's, go work at Walmart, go work at Target, go stock shelves, go flip burgers. Yeah, it's gonna suck, let's be honest. You're probably gonna hate it. Yeah, your friends might clown you for it. I don't care. You know what's worse than working at McDonald's? Staying broke. Being 30 years old with no money, no high-level skills, and no options. That is way worse than a few months at McDonald's. So take the job. Work nights, work weekends if you have to. Work as many hours as they'll give you. You live with your parents, so you have almost zero expenses. That means every single dollar you make you can save. You can stack thousands of dollars in just a couple of months. 3 months of working full-time, and you could have $3,000 or $4,000, even $5,000 saved up. That's more than a lot of working adults have saved up in America. And you're not saving that money to buy a new PlayStation or a new pair of sneakers. You're saving that money to invest in yourself. You're saving that money to start a business. You're saving that money to learn a skill that's actually gonna make you rich. That McDonald's job isn't your career. It's your funding source. It's your investor. Most people need to convince some rich person to give them money to start a business. You don't. You just need to work for a couple months and not blow your money on stupid shit. Do that, and you will have the capital you need to start a business that can actually make you $10,000 a month or way more than that. Once you have that money, once you have those skills, you need to understand something crucial. You need to stop thinking small. Most people who want to make money online, they go try to sell some cheap crap. They go find a lamp on AliExpress for $12 and they try to resell it for $49. You know how hard it is to make real money doing that? You need to sell hundreds of units just to make a few thousand bucks. Most of it isn't even profit. Now that's the slow way. That's the broke way. Instead, you need to sell expensive stuff. I'm talking about high-ticket offers. I'm talking about things you can sell for $1,000, $3,000, $5,000, $10,000 or more. When you sell something for $5,000, you only need to sell 2 of them to make 10 grand. 2 sales, that's it. Now compare that to selling a $49 lamp where you'd need to sell over 200 units to make the same amount. Which one honestly sounds easier to you? If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now, you're probably thinking, what the hell would I sell for $2,000? And that, my friend, is a great question. This is where most people get stuck because they're thinking about physical products like a lamp, like this bottle of water. But high-ticket offers are about helping people solve painful problems they have, problems they're desperate to fix, problems they won't pay serious money to solve. Let me give you examples. Help people quit drinking. That is a high-ticket offer. There are people out here whose lives are falling apart because of alcohol, and they would pay you $1K, $2K, even $3K, $4K right now if you could help them to quit. Help people lose weight. People who've tried everything, who hate how they look, who are desperate to change. They'll pay $3,000, $5,000, even $10,000 for a program that actually works. Help guys get dates online. Teach them how to take better photos, how to write better messages, how to actually talk to women. Guys won't pay thousands for that. Help people invest in real estate. Help business owners get more customers. Help people build their credit. Help people start their own businesses. Every single one of these is a high-ticket offer you could sell. And here's the best part. You don't need to be the world's leading expert. You just need to know more than the person you're helping. You just need to be a few steps ahead. If you lost 50 pounds, you can help someone lose weight. If you figured out how to get dates online, you can teach someone else how to do it too. If you learned how to run ads for businesses, you can do it for other businesses and charge them thousands of dollars. Here's another example. You could be selling lead generation services for businesses. Every single business needs customers. Every single business needs more leads. If you can figure out how to get a plumber 10 new clients a month, or get a dentist 10 new patients a month, they will pay you thousands of dollars. A plumber makes hundreds or thousands of dollars per job. If you bring them 10 jobs, you're bringing them tens of thousands in revenue. Charging them $2,000 to $3,000 a month is nothing in comparison, but for you, it's a lot of money. The key is understanding that we simply want to help people solve painful problems, not minor inconveniences, painful problems, the kind of problems that keep them up at night, problems they think about constantly, problems that are affecting their health, relationships, their money, their happiness. When you solve painful problems, people will pay premium prices. When you solve small problems, people might pay $50 if they feel like it. Stop thinking about selling cheap stuff to broke people. Start thinking about selling expensive solutions to people who've got real problems and money to spend. That's the difference between making a few $100 a month and making 10,000 plus. That's the difference between being broke and being free. Look, I'm not saying this is easy. I'm not saying you're gonna make $10,000 next week. But if you do what I just told you, if you sell the stuff you don't need, if you get a job if you don't have one, and you save that money, if you invest that money into learning how to sell high-ticket offers, build a proper online business, and if you focus on solving real, painful problems for people, you will make a lot of money. Real money. Life-changing money. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.